Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're approaching the 306. 306. It's a level of it's a hot spot. 306, right? We're approaching there. High is 475. 306, and clean break of 306. Then the smart money is gonna continue squeezing the bears all the way to 315, right? All right, so let's see what's on, and I'm expecting a pullback all the way to 96, right? 96, and then we're gonna have some shenanigan there. And I'm expecting a big move today, and we'll see how the price we have at 96, and then break it and continue to target one for the bears, which is 280. Time right now, time rate is around 9:27, 3 minutes to open. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 305 quarter. Okay, and we all know the open is coming, right? And the open is coming, and right, a lot of gunpowder, crazy moves. A lot of people don't trade the open because it's too much for them, and I can understand that, right? So, but we love the open, right? So let's see. All right. Okay, so we only have to be careful with that O6 right there. We saw it. We saw it happening. We all saw it together, did we not? Yes, we did. Right? Okay, this is how you pulse it out. We know that anything above O6 is going to be a more than a squeeze, a crush, and price open. And I just told you 30 seconds before the open. We all know the open. There's gonna be a lot of gunpowder there. The more it goes up, the more we salivate to shore that high, and then boom, we took the 10, right? You saw, we all saw together how the prices stop right there at 10. Boom, stop at 10, short it. That's what pulls it out means, right? So we're short 10, price goes all the way to 5. It gives us 5 points in 5 microseconds, and we're gonna remain short. We never let a winner turn into a loser, right? We all know that. Is it possible, mistake, this bounce is gonna take it all the way to 10, break 10, and continue to 15? Absolutely. Of course it is. We already made 5 points. Why do you think this bounce is going on? Those of us who made 5 points in 5 microseconds are locking right here. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! It went right up, back up, right? And then we bears, we don't, depending on our position size, we're locking. You guys are gonna remain short until I tell you not to anymore. All right? Price goes back. Of course, you're not gonna let a winner turn into a loser, right? We're short right here. 10, right? When I told you, boom, 10, right there. Okay? Then obviously something's going on with this price going up, right? In my humble opinion, it's a big squeeze. All right, no problem. All right, and we know that the same thing that happened here at the open 305 can happen right here at 311. Price can easily go back up, take 11, violent, and we know it's gonna go to 15, right? But we're gonna do exactly the same thing. We're gonna pulse it out and we're gonna short again, all right? Because we are expecting the price to eventually go back to 05, break it, give us some shenanigans here, and eventually go to 96. So from 10 to 96, right? That's 96, 4, and 10, 14 points that we're after. Okay, so we're not gonna call it victory yet. Boom, that's 05, testing 05, right? Again, and so we're gonna have these shenanigans right here. But the Bulls really want to take it to 15. So, like always, somebody's gonna win the battle, right? Are we gonna take 10 or are we gonna take 5? Right? We're betting that we're gonna take 5, right? Okay. Now, is it possible that the price goes back to 10, plays around 10? Of course it is. So I'm talking about taking, not dancing around it, all right? All right, so stay sure, expecting the price to take 5, and then we'll, of course, stop break even, and of course, start trailing. Never let a winner turn into a loser. And let's see what's going to happen next. The Bulls really want to take it to 15. If they do, and I tell you, do not change hats. Stay bearish. Get the hell out, take a scratch, and build back better. Sure, until I tell you, don't do it anymore. Period. We all know that 300 is a psychological level, right? 300, 302. All right. So if we are correct and the price finally takes oh 05, where is it gonna go first? Well, 300. What is it that you have there, Mystique? 302, right? Okay. Yeah. Right. It's not gonna be easy taking this 02 300. Okay. It's okay. All right. But once the price clean break of 05, then we are more comfortable that it's going to continue going down, and then remember that profitable day trading, it's pretty much about the management of your position. So a fair question is, hey, Cappy, if the price, goes back up, I mean, look at this. 5 is holding. It looks like it's strong. Can we go long the micros? Right? That's a fair question. Right? Okay. Can we go long the micros? Right? Just in case that the price takes, that 10, so that we can play the going trend. Well, sure, but we're not gonna go long a breakout. We're not gonna take a breakout 10. That's not gonna happen. If we're gonna go long the micros, the small positions, so that we can play the going trend as well, the one that everybody's playing, we had to do it at 05, not here. That's not gonna happen. All right. Okay. All right. So that's 11 and a half. Okay. And yeah, oh my God. Oh my God. This thing is going up, man. I know. All right. There is a lot of manipulation today. Okay.
This is a triple JC poll.
Okay. Alrighty then. Never let a winner turn into a loser, right? So price goes all the way to 05. All right. Price goes all the way to 05. Right. So we're short 10. Price goes right back down. Never let a winner turn a loser. I've been telling you about this, right? Stop break even, and we still we still looking to shore the next resistance. All right. So in other words, uh, smart money is God knows, well, this bullish stuff. In the news today, everybody was saying that we are now in a bull market. We, the entire for the investors, we are in a bull market now. All right. Okay. We couldn't care less about that. Well, of course we do, but not for our day trading. All right. Oh my God, Cappy! If we had gone long 10, the breakout 10 with the micros, of course, we would have should have could have we would be up 3 points now, man. Look at that, 313. It's not worth it. All right, I'm telling you, the risk for what I can see is too much. All right, if like I said, the pullback to oh 05, you wanna go long the micros, by the way, and here oh 05. You're not gonna take a breakout long 10-11, even though we know that for the price to break 10, it needs to have enough gunpowder to take it to 15. We know that. We've known it for half an hour already. All right, so we're going to do the same at 15, and we'll take it from there. All righty. So you got to understand this. All right. Um, all right. So, so the price goes to 15 half. So it gives us plenty of room and time to take the exact 15. All right, good. Is it possible, Mr. that this thing that's 13, that's plus 2? Right? Is it possible that this thing is going to do the same thing that it did before? It's going to go back up to 16, break it, and go to the moon? Is it possible?
Of course it's possible.
That's it. Stop, break even, scratch, and then we'll see what we do after that, if that happens. Okay. So this is the second leg for the smart money to destroy the retail trend. Okay. So price goes to 16 and drops all the way to 12, 4 points. Some shenanigans right here. There is no question that the bulls wants to take this thing to the moon, right? Well, that's day trading. All right. All right. Of course, we like it when we have a razor sharp entry, like the one we just had, 15 razor sharp, right? But we also want to we also want to have the holy grail, right? Quick return, go back down a little higher, lower high, and then another leg down, and a Lamborghini in a couple of minutes, right? Isn't that what everybody wants?
Of course.
All right. Okay, so we have to put up with all this action, right? Until we decide to go long, right? Okay, when are we gonna go long? I told you, all right? All right. Long right here, oh 05. If not, we're not going long 10, 11. Breakout. It's not going to happen. Gonna short again, and then we're going to have some shenanigans here. 10, 15. Look at that. Another 10, 16. And, and then we'll see. All right. 10. Look at the way the price broke 10. At 9:39, right? 9 minutes after the open. Look at the way it broke it. It went from 08 all the way to 12. 4 points in 4 microseconds, right? It's the only way that it has to take it. That's all the bulls with big enough balls or little knowledge about trading that took the breakout, right? They have no idea what's in store for them. Well, hold on a second. It hasn't happened yet, so relax. Okay, so it happened. Short 15. That's 11. So we're up 4 points. Stop, break even, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did here. We're gonna do it again. Period. Oh my God! Another scratch. Another scratch is another scratch, and then we're gonna let the market reveal itself, and then if we decide to go long, which we could any second, then we'll see how we do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the overall market direction. Remember, overall market direction was sideways. Is beginning to change. Beginning. It's just beginning to change. All right. Okay. Boom. 15 still. Right. 15 still recoiling. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember that we have another resistance 30, right? Okay, so 30, ladies and gentlemen, is target 2 for the bulls. Okay. Okay. This 15 right here is the target 1 for the bulls. Target 1. 30 is target 2. Alrighty? For the bulls. Alright? So if you took a shot long here of 5, which I did not call because I'm not interested yet in going long, but the micros, it's okay. Then target 1 is 15. Even if you're not long, it doesn't matter. You need to know at all times what the bulls are doing. And if you are a bull, you need to know at all times what the bears are doing. And this is what the bulls are doing. They're gonna lock in here 15, 16, and they really want to take it to 30. Alrighty? Alright, so we know now that 15 is support, and the bulls, they're really want to go to 30, 330, and so long, right? This breakout 15, and a clean break of this 15, then bulls just get the hell out, right? They're expecting the gunpowder to continue here, right? That's the bull, all right? For us to be long is only with a small position, right? Even though the future intention of the trend went from bearish to sideways, we still don't have confidence in this up move. Something's going on, obviously, right? Okay, so remember the investors are in a bull market now, right? As of yesterday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hour 15 is critical. All right. As long as the price is above 15, the bulls are in control. A clean break of 15, we, the bears, will take control of the short-term move. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay. So that's 15, 16. It's a 1 point range here. It's a 1 point range. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. You know that this smart money knows that the retail trader, the teenagers on YouTube, on their demo account, they all they know is one setup. It's a double top, an area of supply, right? That's how they call it, or area of demand. So they know 16 is an area of resistance, right? So the smart money needs to take the price above 05, 06 as much as possible so that they take the stock of all those. Right? They're all destroyed right now. Okay. Area of supply, area of demand. Right? So they know 06 is an area of supply. So smart money destroys them all the way to this to this high right here. What's the high? 19? 19.
To the
All right.
tick.
So and now we're gonna continue with this 5. All right. Clean take of 15. We take control back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 30 became a range. Now it's a 3-point range. It's 27 and 30. Okay. Now we have a 3-point range resistance. Okay. Good. We need to know this, right? Because we're sure, right? We're sure above 16, right? Or 16, 17, 18. Pulse it out. Short, right? We know that the risk is all the way to 30. Now the risk is 27. Repeat, we're not investors. Okay? We are day traders. All right? We're speed traders. We scout, we tempo, we sway, and our longest trade is the durable, which is out today, the same day. Alrighty? Okay, not to be confused. So we don't have the odds that we have before, right? When we had the future intention of the trend being buried. We don't have it anymore. But it's not bullish, it's sideways now. So every different trend and structure and action that the price is doing, then we have to have our own strategy how to play it. Remember this morning I told you I am expecting a big move today. Don't know if it's gonna be to the downside or to the downside, but I'm expecting a good move. We will know as we analyze tick by tick, minute to minute, second to second, the action. All right. Okay. So right, look at this. Right? So price goes to 14, right? From this high right here, 19, 14. It gives us 5 points trip for us, for bears, right? And then recuperates, bounce. Okay, so it is now this pivot low, which is a higher low. It's a pivot low. This higher 14, the one in command. Everybody can see that. This is what everybody sees. We're not the only ones. Okay, so this is important, but it doesn't mean much to us. Right? We know the next resistance is 27. That's where the bulls wants to take it. Right? And we're watching it. We're watching it. We're watching it. All right? So we know the bulls, the play is long, whether we're long or not. We know the play is long. It's long. This pullback to 14, and they're going to 27. Know that. Okay. Well, don't try to. It's gonna take a little time, but I'm expecting a pullback. All right, to hour 60 first. You know it's gonna take 23, and it's gonna continue going to the 27. Right? You know exactly what to do with your bearish position, and if you wanna take advantage of this up move, then you also know what to do with your bullish position. If you if you believe what I told you 45 seconds ago, when the price was right there at 18, that mistake called that bullish play, then you take a shot 18. You know that a clean break of 16 invalidates, takes the control back from the bulls to the bears. You get the hell out, right? And in the meantime, you are now managing a long position that we believe is going to go to 27. Right? Okay. All right. All right. So price right now 22, and we've been waiting for the price to go to 27, so we can take our first shot. Counter trend, by the way. The obvious main play is that long, right? That we've been taking with with the micro, the smallest position, right? It should have been taken with the bigger position because obviously this up move all the way to 25 is the main play. Right? No, but we decided not to. We decided to take it with the micros instead. All right. Okay, so we've been waiting for the price to go to 27, goes to 25, 2 points shy of our entry short 2027, and then okay, let's see here. Right, so we have a pullback from 25 to 21, 4 points, a big deal. All right, bulls still in control. I'm not discounting that price is still gonna go to 27. However, I can tell you right now that the bulls are beginning to take charge. So what does that do to us? Well, that gives us greater confidence in taking a shot short 27 and 30 because it is right here that the bears are beginning to this 21, right? This 21 right here, this 21, 25, the bears are beginning to take control. They still don't have it, of course, but they're beginning. So if they're beginning here at 25, then we're gonna like it much better 27 and 30. We will not hesitate to take a shot short 27 and 30. And if the price destroys 27, we're gonna pulse it out again, and we're gonna take that shot 30. And depending on when this happens, that's gonna be our last short. Alrighty. Okay. So target 2 for the bulls, 27 and 30. All right. Yes, bears are beginning to take control of the short term. Alrighty? Okay. We all saw it together, right? We all saw the price taking this 21, right? Okay. It doesn't mean that we're gonna go to 16 in a straight shot, right? But but the bulls are exhausted now. All right, so the bears are in control of the short-term move. All right, we 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 took 21. We didn't break it, but we took it. It will be broken because it's gonna continue going down all the way to 16. That's my bet. Not to be confused with the main play, though. All right, all these shorts that we've taken are counter trend. Okay? All these shorts that we've been taking are counter the going trend. Right? Remember the one that I told you was bullish since 9 a.m. this morning? Every single short, it's a counter trend of the going trend. The one that was obvious for everybody. Okay. So remember, counter trend. A lot of traders don't trade counter trend. by definition, it's a play against the main the strongest force. Right? A lot of traders don't want to deal with that. I'm okay with that. We counter trend here every single day. Right? Can I guarantee, mistake, that this thing is gonna go all the way to 16?
Of course not.
Of course not. So we'll continue doing what we've been doing. All right, scratch the hell out. Then we know that this thing can spring back up all the way to 27 and 30 in a couple of seconds. We all know that. As long as I don't change my mind in terms of my forecast, then we'll do it again, 27 and 30. Okay. So, alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna, all right. So 23, right? So we show here 23. Yeah, okay. And we we've known that price is gonna continue going to 16. We know the importance of these 2 points here, 14, 16, right? We know it. Look at that, 15. All right, so we just made 8 points on this short stop break even. And listen, I'm gonna say it again. This short that we just took is a counter trend. All right. Yeah, sure. You heard my conviction, and when I told you price, I didn't say if the price. No, I told you price will break 21 and continue to 15. Right. That's what I said. It's not gonna take. It's not going to 27. If it does, then it's no problem because we know exactly what to do because we know where it's gonna go. We know it's gonna recoil and go to 16. Right. That's what I said here. So it didn't take a shot right here at 23, and price goes to our 15. We're gonna continue, of course, stop break even. We're gonna start watching, and remember what I've been telling you all morning long. This is a trick from the smart money. They're destroying the retail traders. That's exactly what they're doing. All right, because in the news today, supposedly we are now in a bull market, right? I don't know, maybe the price went over the 200 moving average. Big deal, right? We couldn't care less about that. So a lot of retail traders, derelicts, amateurs, you know, they they bought the trap of the smart money. However, it's okay. We don't, this is a lot of mumbo jumbo. We don't care, right? We're gonna do what we're gonna manage our position according to our day trading strategies rules. Okay. All right. So we now have to make a decision. All right. So we've known for a couple of minutes since I told you that's it. The Bears are beginning to take control of the short term. What is short term? Well, it's this pullback in an obvious uptrend, right? All right. So what everybody wants to know now? Oh my God, is it time to buy right here? CTC 15, right? These 2 points here, so that we can take advantage of the pullback in an uptrend and and continue going to 27 and 30, right? Well, right now we are on a short right here, 23, and we're gonna continue managing. All righty. Okay. All right. We're gonna let the market tell us as to how strong. I'm looking at it right now. It's 15 right here. This 15, my 15, is it strong enough to stop the price from continue going down? It's a pullback in an uptrend. It's gonna find enough support, and it's gonna go back up to 27 and 30. That's exactly what I'm looking for right now. you're not gonna get out of your short 23. Okay. All right. Stop, break even, start trailing. Okay. We need to give the market a little bit of time to tell us what's gonna happen here at 14, 16. Now we are in a now we are in a channel 1430, right? 1430 beginning 27. Alrighty. Okay, so we are in a one-dimensional price action environment. Okay, the bears are in control of the short term, right? Bulls. Look at what happened. Exactly what I told you. Hey, listen, should we go long here, 15, so that we can uh, add to a winner or establish a new position long, expecting the price to go to 30, right? This hour 15, right? When I told you at 23, hey, listen, short term down, price is gonna break 21. It's gonna continue going to 15, right? 6 points, big deal. All right, good. We know that 15, 14, 16, 15, right, is support. Okay, this support needs to be destroyed, right, for the bears to take control of the new trend. As long as 15, this 15 right here is not taken, the bulls are still in control, and they're still gonna be looking to go to 27 and 30. So yes, it's okay to be long our target 15. Remember, 15 was our target. Okay, when I told you break of 21, price will go to 15. That's target one, right? So what do? We go long, right? Okay. All right. Now, nobody is in control long term. All right. We don't know. We have to let the price tell us. All righty. Okay. So remember what I told you. Do not get out of your chore. All right, because we don't know what's gonna happen here. Right? Don't get out of your chore. Look at that, all the way to 22. It never went back to 23. Right? Okay. All right. Look at that. All righty then. Bears in control of the short term. Bulls are still in control of the longer term. A destroying of this right here, 14, that's terrific. We know that short 23 is the new boss in town. The new sheriff, the new boss. All right, all right. So, and we're gonna ride this baby all the way to 10. Here it is, 10, right? All righty then. Nothing but a big squeeze, and we saw it live, real time, as it's happening, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So look, this is classical technical analysis, right? Remember, 23, I told you, price is gonna break 21 and go to 15. It did, all right? Okay, it goes. Bears are in control short term, right? And then it goes all the way to 15, right? 15. It goes to 15. We know 15 is target one for us, for Sadico. It's target one. So you go long 15, right? No, you go long 15, stop, break even, and start trading, right? But price never took the it never took the bearish setup, right? The short 23, the one that I told you, stay short until the price doesn't destroy 23. We're gonna remain short. Okay, if it does, then we get out and we're gonna do it again 27 and 30. It never did. It goes to 22, right? It when as it's going to 22, it's shaking out a whole bunch of weak bears, those that have no idea of the strength of that short 23 and the break of that 21. But it goes all the way to 15. It bounces back to where? Look at that, to 20, 22, right? Look at it. And what happens there? And those of us, those of us bears that know, those of us who know that the bears are in control now, because I just told you, then price goes to 15. Not only we don't get out, we add to a winner, and then boom, second leg all the way to 10. Right? Right. Righty. So, and look at the action again. It's unbelievable. Price goes to 10. It bounces back to where? To our 15, 16. This 15, 16 is now support become resistance. It's now resistance, right? Aggressive bears re-shorts 15, and now they're right there. Those who are late to the party, those who didn't see, those who didn't see the the change of command, right? Those who didn't see the change of command short term for from the bulls to the bears, just like we did, because we saw it and I told you, hey, listen, that's it. It's not if, the price will take 21. Go first leg to 15 and second leg to 10, and I'm expecting more. I'm expecting all the way to 06, because remember, this is being, in my humble, not yet, it's not, we don't have confirmation yet, but all of these moves since the open, it's been nothing but a, in my humble opinion, a big squeeze. All right. If I am totally wrong and it's not a big squeeze and this is the low 10 and the price is going to go to the moon from now on, we are already up 13 points. And we are day traders. We're not investors. Okay? That's management. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So you see, as a matter of fact, we're gonna get rid of all this stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You see this 16 right here. All right, this 16 is what I call a divider. As long as the price is above 16, the bulls are in control. So right now, the bulls are in control. As long as the price is below this 16, the bears are in control. Okay? So in other words, I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. Price took this 16, and it was only the momentum what took it to 10. Right? It was only the momentum what took the price to 10. All right? The bulls are still in control of the longer term. All right? Okay. So we just made from 23 to 10, we just made 12, 13, 11, 11, 10, 11, 13 points of a momentum play, right? So now we are in a big time shot, because 16 is a key level, and the name of this key level is a divider. It's gonna divide completely. Believe you me, it's gonna divide the action. It's gonna divide the power. Above 16, bulls are in command. Below, bears are in command. So this is what's gonna happen. Remember, not only we need to know what the price is gonna do, but we wanna know how it's gonna do it. All right, look at that. Back to 16, cannot take it. All right. So usually what happens is that the price is gonna give everybody a hard time here this 1516. Look at it. Key level means that the price is gonna dance around it. It's gonna take it to the upside. It's gonna take it to the downside. It's gonna take it to the upside. It's gonna take it to the inside. They are they are deciding as to whether continue going up or down. So bears, as long as the price is below, then you are comfortable that the price is gonna continue going down. 10.06. As long as the price is above, then yeah, the bulls are comfortable that it is gonna continue going down. So what's the structure right now? Well, the structure right now is 10.30. So we are in a 20-point channel. That's where we are at right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at what just happened. Right? Price took 16, it went all the way to 19. A minute later, bam! 14. And half a minute later, bam! 18. Remember, not only we need to know what the price is gonna do, but how it's gonna do it. Isn't this exactly the way I told you the price was gonna behave from now off of 16? It's gonna drive everybody crazy. So we go to phase 7 now. Phase 7 for us. It's Friday, and we're done. It was a tough play today for us, right? Because we had to have big coconuts, right? To shore on such a strong uptrend. But we knew that Prisatico told us that it was a big squeeze. That's why we kept on doing it. And we were going long the micros, and we were going short the ES. All right, it should have been the opposite, right? We should have been going long the ES and short the micros. But we got it backwards. All right, it's one of those days that we're not buying a Lamborghini. We're only buying a Cinquecento. Remember. So what else is important that we know? Well, number one, you gotta understand that, for, for you to be a consistently profitable trader, you have to have a system, right? There's a lot of, believe you me, you think I'm kidding. There's a lot of people, they don't even have a system. They don't know how to read the market. They don't know where the price is going. They don't know how it's going to get there. They don't know what setups are high probability. They don't know which one are not such high probability. They have no idea. They have no clue how to read the market. Well, you got to have a system that tells you everything that I've told you this morning. You got to have a system that tells you all of that. So once you understand that having a system is critical, I mean, without a system, we all know what the market is going to do to those who don't have a system, and it's got to be a system that is proven consistently profitable, with a much better win rate and a risk-reward ratio. Right? All right, so you have a system, and you're following to the tick without discipline, then you better go back to sell real estate. You don't belong in this industry. All right. You just go and open a YouTube channel with all the teenagers and start bullshitting everybody, all the new traders, and make money selling courses and garbage that they don't do. But trading, that's not gonna happen. All right. So, and we know our weaknesses also, right? Which is when so one of the analysis, one of the elements that we take into consideration is what type of environment we're having. All right. Okay. So we, Persatico, we have cycles and circles and waves and dimensions. All right. And then we know the structure within all of that. All right, so we know now that we are on a single dimension. Single dimension it's okay. We can still trade it, but the odds of the accuracy of our forecast diminish in comparison when we are in a two-dimensional world. Three dimension is too much. Oh, three dimension is great, Capi. No, no, for us it's not. We want a two-dimensional world, period, and we stick to it. Well, the market is not in a two-dimensional world right now. It's in a one dimension. So what do we do now that we know that our forecast from now on is diminished? Well, we still trade, but we go to phase 7, and whatever we continue doing, we're gonna do it with a reduced position size. Right? Phase 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Direction, location, protection, destination, position size. All right. If you're looking to buy a Lamborghini today, then you're gonna be in trouble. All right. If you need to make $1,000 today to pay rent, right? Whatever whatever, or buy bacon and milk, that everything is twice as much as expensive, right? With inflation, then you're in trouble. You know, you've got to do what the market tells you to do, right? And you have to adjust your strategies according to what your system is telling you. What are the odds as to what the market is going to do? That's it. It's Friday, right? So our main aim is to be green every single day, right? That's our main aim. And we understand that 80% of the time we're not going to buy Lamborghinis. 20% of the time we will. It's proven. That's what our system has proven to us. 20% of the time we nail the main trend when the market trends, which it only trends only 20% of the time. Remember, I told you this morning I'm expecting a big move today, and look at what happened. Right? From 300 all the way to 25. I mean, 25 is not a big move compared to 2 months ago. 25 points is what we made in a couple of minutes. But with the volatility that we have now, 25 points is pretty good. All righty then. So, all right, so good, right? So, hey, listen, we know exactly what's going on. 10, the bounce of 10, the bulls are still controlled longer term, and our short 23 is, like I told you, it's shorter term, not bad, 13 points in 10 minutes. We like that, right? Because we are day traders. Okay. And what else? We know the entire structure. We now know that we are in a 10, 30, 20 point channel. And that's where we're going to be for a while. All righty? Okay. We've been through this many times before, fighting the trend, fighting the trend. And we know that the market is squeezing and crushing the amateur. And then when the market finally reveal itself, then then um, then we succeed like every day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time right now 11:11, and we know that as long as the price doesn't clean take this 23 here, right? This lower lower high, which is not a, by the way, which is not a swing high, right? As long as the price is below this 23, the control short term, right? Short term is for the bear. Longer term, as long as the price is about 16, it's called chop channel. All right, 10, 30. Right. So we're watching 10 and 30, right? That's the channel, and then inside the channel We have 23 and um, and 16, right? Okay. All right. Okay. So as long as the price is above 16, bulls are in still in a continuation uptrend. All right. So right now, uh, the odds are that the price is gonna continue going up. That is gonna go take 23, break it, take the high 25, break it, 27, break it, and go to 30. Those are the odds. All righty. Okay. What time it is? It's almost, you're right, it's 11:13. So is it gonna be quick? I don't think so, right? So we have 30 and 10, and we have 16, 15, and 23, basically. All right. All right. So being long, right? This pullback, the 10, 12, 14, 15, being long, you are comfortable as long as the price is above 16 and you are expecting the price to test 23, break it, and go to 27 and go to 30. These are the odds right now. All righty? Okay. So, whoa, are you going to let a winner turn into a loser? Our short 23 that gave us 13 points. That's it. Get the hell out, stop break even, start trailing, and price recoups, right? It rejects 10. That give us that give us information that that this move from 26 to 10 is a pullback in an uptrend. And then we know since 10:55 all the way to 11:06, we know that 16 is gonna, the price is gonna dance around 16. And look at it. Look how it does. It took it to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside. It tested until it finally bounced. Bam! It bounced right off of that, right off of 15, 16. Goes all the way to 18, right? 18, 19. The Bulls are in control. Odds are it's going to take the 23, but we are day trader. You're never going to let a winner turn into a loser, right? But you need to know which one is the main play. Long, where the bounce when the price went broke and it took the 21 and it gave us 15 and 10. Bounce, main play is long, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right. So, oh, really? So we are in an uptrend? Yes, we are. Really? Yeah. So what's the structure? 10:30. Oh, terrific, man. So what's the main play? Long. Long where? Hour 10 and hour 15. Once the price broke it. Broke it. Is it going to break 23 easily? No. Remember our 23? Sure, that's not going to be taken easily, but it's going to take a while, and the odds are that it will. And then the Bulls are going to try to take it 27 and 30. Okay, Capi, I understand, man. One last question, buddy, for you. Yeah, what's up? If we are in an uptrend, then is there another resistance above 30? You know, just so that because my intentions are to trade the entire day today. So I want to know, if we are in an uptrend and the high is 30, but we are in an uptrend, so price is gonna take it. Where is it going? All right, let her right to 45. Oh my God, 45. Yeah, that's right, 45. What if it breaks 15 again to the downside? Then it's not going to 45. It's going down. It's going to 05. So we're counting on the odds, but if the price breaks 15, then right, we're not expecting the price to break it, right? Especially 10. We're not expecting the price to break 10 and 15, right? 10 is the low of this 5 point range. But if it does, it's okay because we know where it's going. What is it that you have, Mystic?
A bear shot a mini.
Okay, let's see then.
I'm in bully too.
All right. You know, look at that. Took it, went up like that. Cannot take our 23 shore and it, bam, has to come right back down. This is a nice pullback from 22. Look at the way it took 16 nicely, right? Well, yeah. Well, let's go 10. But remember, look at this. 10 is an area of supply, right? The teenagers, they just learned that terminology. Area of supply and area of demand. This is an area of supply right here, 10, right? Area of supply, area of demand, 23, area of demand. Not for them, right? So it's not gonna be easy taking 10 and have the price go to 05, which is what I said a long time ago. This thing below
Alright,
6,
guys.
boom, bada bing, bada boom. 08,
07.
all right, here we go. Alrighty then.
7. That's what Nas wanted.
Exactly, boom. All right, look at it, ladies and gentlemen. What a crack of, all right?
03.
All right, that's exactly what the smart money does. All right, look at it. Right? Haven't we been shorting all morning long?
Yes,
Look at
we
that.
have.
0275. Yeah, that's right. 96 by way of 96, right?
That was Nas.
That's what we want to do. ¿Quién fue? No,
Nas.
no,
Nas.
Michael.
No, el que dijo 96.
Oh,
Nas.
Michael is typing it. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, come on, break 10. Copy. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Remember the low of the circle wave that we had at the beginning was 96, right? Right there. 96, 306. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what a day.
What a day